विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो नमस्कार. अब्राहम लिंकन अमेरिकेचे फॉर्मर प्रेसिडेंट, त्यांनी हेडमास्टरला लिहिलेले पत्र म्हणून एक इंग्रजीतले लेटर खूप सुंदर आहे. ते आज मी तुमच्यासाठी बनवत आहे आपल्या व्हिडिओच्या माध्यमातून. इंग्रजीमध्ये आहे, पण निश्चितपणे तुम्हाला खूप सारा नॉलेज हे लेटर देऊन जाईल. Abraham Lincoln's letter to his son's teacher. He will have to learn. I know that all men are not just, all men are not true. But teach him also that for every scoundrel there is a hero, that for every selfish politician there is a dedicated leader. Teach him for every enemy there is a friend. It will take time, I know. But teach him if you can that $1 earned is far more value than 5 found. Teach him to learn to lose and also to enjoy winning. Steer him away from envy if you can. Teach him the secret of quiet laughter. Let him learn early that the bullies are the easiest to lick. Teach him, if you can, the wonder of books, but also give him quiet time to ponder the eternal mystery of the birds in the sky, bees in the sun, and the flowers on a green hillside. In the school, teach him it is far honorable to fail than to cheat. Teach him to have faith in his own ideas, even if everyone tells him they are wrong. Teach him to be gentle with the gentle people and tough with tough people. Try to give my son the strength not to follow the crowd when everyone is getting on the bandwagon. Teach him if you can. Teach him if you can.